Question number 40. Explain the formation of sodium chloride by exchange of electron method. The atomic number of a sodium is 11. Then the electronic configuration of the sodium is first K cell 2 electrons, L cell 8 electrons and M cell 1 electrons. Here the sodium has the 1 electron present in this outer valence shell M. So the sodium required the electrons या तो donates the electron to acquire the electronic configurations of the noble gas. So here the sodium can donate the 1 electron from its outer M cell to form the sodium plus 1 ion. So sodium can donate the 1 electrons to form the sodium plus 1 ions and acquires the electronic configurations first K cell 2 and L cell 8. So the here 10 electrons present in the sodium and acquired the electronic configurations of the nearest noble gas neon. Then after the chlorine has the atomic number 17. The electronic configurations of the chlorine first K cell 2, L cell 8, M cell 7. Here the 7 electron present in the outer valence shell M. So the chlorine can donate the 7 electrons or chlorine can gain the 1 electron to acquire the electronic configurations of the nearest noble gas. So here the chlorine can gain the 1 electrons then donate by the sodium. So chlorine can gain 1 electrons to form the chlorine and ion Cl minus. So here electrons is equal to 18. So the electronic configurations first K cell 2, L cell 8, M cell 8. So here in Cl minus ion, here 8 electrons present in the outer valence shell and gain the electronic configurations of the nearest noble gas argon. Then after sodium, so sodium has 1 electron present in its valence shell and chlorine has a 7 electron present in its valence shell. Here sodium donate the 1 electrons to chlorine and form the Na plus Cl 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and negative charge. This is the final structure of the sodium chloride.